Hi everyone, welcome to K4 Craft. Today we are learning some basic greeting cards. We will need paper quilling pen, craft glue and circle sizer. We will start with taking 1/4 of a sheet and a paper quilling strip. Now I am making a coil. Now I've taken another color and half of a paper quilling strip. Here I'm making a loop and I'm pushing it in the middle to make 2 loops. Now we will glue the inner part to create a stem. After which I'm taking another paper quilling strip and I'm making a coil. Now I'm giving it a bent marquee shape. We will need 3 of the stems and 3 tulip shaped coils and 2 bent marquee. Now I'm gluing all the stems to the paper. Now I'm gluing the bent marquee as leaves and the tulip as flowers. Now I'm again taking 1/4 of a sheet and I'm quilling a coil. After which I'm giving a pinch on one side and now I'm giving a pinch on another side and simultaneously pinching the sides to give it a similar shape to diamond. We will need 4 of these petals. Now I've taken another coil and I've given it a teardrop shape. Now I've taken a paper quilling strip and I've folded it into half. Now I'm making a V scroll. I'm making sure the height of the V scroll is same on both sides. Now I'm gluing the V scroll to the paper. And I'm gluing the teardrop in the middle. Now I'm gluing all the petals around the teardrop coil. Now I've again taken 1/4 of a paper and 2 strips. I'm joining the strips together and I'm quilling a coil. This will be a tight coil. Now I've taken another color strip and I'm quilling a coil. This too will be a tight coil. We will need 4 of the bigger coils and 3 of the smaller coils. Now I'm taking another color paper quilling strip and making bent marquee. We will need 3 of the bent marquee. Now I'm gluing all the parts together. These are some basic greeting cards. Thank you for watching.